Welcome back to Classroom Setup Day 3. Today I organized all of the supplies in the back of the classroom. I wiped down a bunch of dust off the counters because it was sitting there all summer. And I finally started to organize this library. I just got this wheeling cart and I was so excited to put some of the books in there that are in the bins within the cabinets. But it definitely took a while. I wish it was actually this fast. And I put out the first day of school books. That's like the little library that the kids will pick out their books to read with a buddy or read on the carpet. So I make sure it looks really nice for them. And I organized the two libraries together with the carpet to see how it can all fit in. And after that, I organized the animals on the couch. There was so many stuffed animals, I had to get rid of a few. But we do reading with a buddy with Center, so they get to pick out a friend to read the book with. So once they pick out a stuffed animal, they can get a book or a partner to read with, so I always have these accessible. And it's also our calm down corner, so if a student just needs a minute, they can kind of take a fidget or take their water with a timer and go sit in that area. And then I had Tyler in day 1 take off all of the colored crayons, so now I'm going to put them up in the middle of the room, so when we're writing, the students can always go see how to spell each color. So now here's just an overall. The library's all set up. The stuffed animals are organized. I'm so excited about the books that are out for the first day of school. They're going to love them. I organized all of the reading and writing games and took out a few into the cabinet so that there's more space. And I put the colors up. The next day is going to be the math centers and the math games. This is a disaster. And I also got rid of a lot of bins. There was too many bins. The blue table's finally cleared off. And the back of the classroom is pretty much set up with all of their toys and the supplies and the foundations cart. But yeah, the next day will be math centers, organizing that and getting their names on the tables.